How to make money online with Blackfort Network, in brackets BXN coin. 1 year and 6 months ago, I signed up on Blackfort Network and got some BXN coin, which I got by purchasing what is known as nodes on the Blackfort Network. Initially, I was very confused because I didn't know any other person who was doing this, and there was minimal or very small user-end information and reviews about this platform on YouTube. But not until recently that it became clear to me that I took a step in the right direction. In this video, I'm going to cut through all the theories and definitions and show you the basics and the major things that you need to do for you to start earning online passive revenue with Blackfort Network. For you to do this, you either need a laptop and a smartphone, or a smartphone only. Okay, so anyone can just jump in on this and it's going to work for you as long as you follow the steps and the guidelines that I will give you in this video. Open your browser and head over to this website. Okay, I'm going to leave this website in my YouTube video description. Okay, this is the official Blackfort Network website. Okay, so let me log in real quick. Okay, so right now you can see that I'm in. Okay, now before we come to this point, before we come over to this place, the first thing we are going to do is let us go to the dashboard. Okay, let me show you my dashboard and so you see how this works. So this is my dashboard on Blackfort Network and you can see my name here. Okay, yes, this is my name. Yeah, so once you are here, all these ones, you can just read these up for your own information. But the major thing, if you look at this place, you see that Blackfort Network has listed on what? Bitfinex, Gate.io, Lbank, and Mexi, meaning that you can exchange all of this here. But before I get into that, let me show you how you can earn and how you can start working and making money from this platform. Okay, how you can start making money from this platform. So first things first, when you click on assets, this place shows what you have in your account. Okay, what you have in your account, and you, like, if you have all this, yes, you can, but that's not even the main thing. Okay, let us scroll right down and come to my nodes. Okay, scroll down and come to my nodes, which is the first place we are taken to. So this is my nodes, and if you look, you see I have some connected wallets. See, connected wallet, this default address, this. Don't worry, I'm still going to explain this for you. Now, if you look here, you see that node count is 2. I have 2 nodes counting, and total node balance is what? 14,540.85 BXN, which is equivalent to 290.81 euros. Okay, now I've claimed what? 14,205, and my capital is still there and still reading. You can see it now that I've claimed 284 euros, almost all the capital, they are out. Now, this is not like, this is still an available one, and every day is accumulating and I'm making money from it. Now, don't get this wrong. This is not like the Ponzi scheme where they say passive income. No, the BXN coin is available on all the platforms that I showed you, and that is where you go and exchange it. So this is not like what you know before. Now, and if you come here, you see that just like I told you earlier, let it load up. Yes, just like I told you earlier, these platforms, the 4 platforms are listed for you. Lbank, look at it, Bitfinex, Gate.io, Lbank, and Mexi. All these people have accepted the BXN, and the BXN coin is available there. Now, let us still go down a little bit. These are my 2 coins. First of all, I purchased this node, 95 euros, which was $100 then, and then I bought another one of $200 then, and every time each of them, they keep minting. Do you understand what I mean? They call it minting. Okay, now, how do you purchase a node? If you may ask, how can I buy a node? The only thing you have to do is just come down here and click on buy node. You can see it, buy node. Okay, and you can see all the available options you have. You can start with 100 euros, and this 100, is this pounds or euros? This is euros here. This is euro sign. 100 euros and is equal to what? 5,000 BXN. You can see it. There's another option of 200 euros, and this is for 10,000 BXN. After that, there is 1,000 euros. There is 2,000 euros. There is 5,000 euros. There is 10,000 euros. Now, here is not like after you buy, you say, I'm not doing again, and then you want to cancel and withdraw capital. No. Once you've invested in the platform, once you've bought some nodes, your node will keep minting. Capital is not refunded. I'm not like I withdrew my capital and say I'm not doing it again. No, I left it, the BXN, it took time, and then it started minting, and then I started withdrawing and claiming my BSN. And to God be the glory, the BSN coin just got listed. And one thing about this is that the two ways you have to earn is that in as much as you're earning passive income and withdrawing BXN every day and earning every day, you can as well go to any exchange and you can see that the BXN has multiplied 100 times. Just like you have Bitcoin, that's how you have BXN. So it's not just about earning here, earning money here. It is also about the prospect and the project of the BXN coin, which has already been listed in major exchanges and can still increase or skyrocket at any point in time. Okay. Now, if you come here, let us say you want to start small, you want to start with $100, or let's say you want to start with $200. It's not hard. Just click on the plus sign, and that's one. You can see something happened here. Let's remove it again. It's empty. Checkout is empty. We go. You can see this is it. And what do you do now? Just scroll down and you see I will pay in. Select how you want to pay. However you want to pay, crypto, any crypto option that you want to pay. Let us say you want to pay with USDT TRC20, which I know a lot of us like to use. What do you do? The next thing you do is we'll click on buy. Okay. And you will see that you will be told, you will see the instructions here. Use the following instruction, copy and paste. You see USDT TRC20, it is not BNBO. If you select TRC20, pay with TRC20 network. And you see the exact amount you are paying, 224.8. This 200 euros. 200 euros is 224 US dollars. That's the exchange rate. And this is the address. So you copy, you what? Send to this address. And remember that these things are not, there is a particular time that is valid. Okay, you can see, yeah, I think after 1 hour, please make sure you use the exact amount using a wallet, sending from an exchange, may cost payment delay or very amount. Just send from your Binance is fine. Okay, from you can see now, yeah, valid until 4th April 11:15 a.m. Now look at this. I did it was 9:15 a.m. So 10:11. So you have 2 hours to make this payment. Okay, yeah. So after 2 hours, but even before this, once you've made this payment, there's nothing else you need to do. You can leave this page open this way, copy it, make your payment, and within less than 30 minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes is going to appear. Okay, and once it appears here, there is nothing else you need to do but just relax and your nodes will start minting. Okay, yes, just like I did here, my nodes are what minting. Okay, yes. So now, real quick, before I dive in on how you can withdraw, let me just show you something real quick. Anything I like doing it well. This is my Metamask extension here. You can see it here. So let me just show you something real quick. This is Metamask. Don't worry, I'm still going to teach you everything you need to know about Metamask. But let me log in real quick and let me show you what I claim that I've done. Good. You can see this is BXN. This is my BXN. You can see this BSN. You can see this is my BSN network. You can see it. You can see this BXN. You can see in here I have 16,170.3, 0.33 BXN. You can see it. Zero amount has been born in zero bonds. So I have this amount here and I can send. If I click on send, just put in the wallet, send it out. Just get a wallet from any of those exchanges I listed, send it out, and then swap to USDT. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect a Web3 application like Metamask or Trust Wallet to your Blackfort Network account, okay, and claim or withdraw your BXN, okay. And then from there, I'll also show you how you can transfer your BXN to a crypto network, okay, to a crypto exchanger, and then swap or exchange your BXN to USDT, thereby enabling you to withdraw it to Naira or any other fiat currency of your choice.